These are the top 5 fastest official 3x3 solves ever as of April 2025. In 5th place is Luke Garrett's time of 3.44. Holding the 4th fastest time is Ruihang Shu's 3.24 second solve. At number 3 is Max Park's legendary time of 3.13, which was also a world record at the time. Coming in at number 2 is Yiheng Wang's amazing 3.08 single. This was also a world record at its time. And finally, at number 1, the fastest 3x3 solve is Xuanyi Geng's incredible time of 3.05, which is the current world record.